Welcome back friends to my channel. Today I will discuss about 8 biggest life insurance companies in USA. This is very important topic, so watch my full video and don't skip. So let's start. The life insurance market in the United States is both massive and highly competitive. Though bigger may not mean better either for consumers or for investors. It does imply a degree of longevity and financial stability in the life insurance business. Life insurance is a policy and contract that guarantees the customer or the insured beneficiaries a sum of money outlined in the insurance policy. In exchange, the customer agrees to pay periodic premiums or payments to the life insurance company. The best life insurance policy and companies can be helpful since they can provide measure of security for the policyholder loved one by providing financial support to pay for funeral expenses and pay off debts. Some insurance companies offer riders which are benefit added to policies allowing for customization. Number 1, New York Life. New York Life Insurance Company has 8.3% of the US life insurance market share and was the second largest insurance company in 2021. Apart from its life insurance business, New York Life also sells long-term car insurance, annuities and mutual funds and operates a growing investment management business. Number 2, Northwestern Mutual. Northwestern Mutual Life Insurance Company holds 8.93% of the American market in addition to its life insurance and other insurance products. The company offers annuities, investment products, and financial planning services. The company reported revenue of $31.1 in 2020, up from $34 billion in 2021, up from $11.7 billion in 2020. Number 3, MetLife. Metropolitan Life Insurance Company is a publicly traded insurance and financial products company, better known as MetLife. It is the third largest insurer in the United States, holding 7.18% of the market share. MetLife offers term life group universal life. Number 4, Prudential Financial. Prudential Financial is a publicly traded financial services conglomerate offering insurance products, annuities, mutual funds, investment management services, and other products. The company was founded in 1875 and operates in over 40 countries in North and South America, Europe, and Asia. Number 4, Lincoln National. Lincoln National Corporation is a financial services company offering life insurance product long term. Lincoln National has 5.2% of the 2021 life insurance market share. Number 6, Mass Mutual. Mass Mutual Life Insurance Company, known as Mass Mutual, was the fifth biggest life insurer in the United States in 2021. In 2021, the company earned nearly $20 billion in income from insurance premiums and $30.4 billion in revenue. Number 7, State Farm. State Farm is primarily known for its home and auto insurance products, but it is the seventh largest life insurer in the US and has been in business since 1922. State Farm is not licensed. Number 8, John Hancock. John Hancock is the eighth largest life insurance in the United States and holds 3.15% of the 2021 life insurance market share. United States. The company is the part of the Manulife Financial, the largest public company and largest life insurance company in Canada. So thanks for watching my video.